Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting essentials in place. Install Google Fit and sign in with your Google account. Once signed in, enter your profile details like height and weight so tracking has context. This improves calorie and distance estimates. Make sure to grant activity, location, and sensor permissions when prompted. Without them, phone motion data and step counting won't work. If you have a wearable, connect it now using the app's device settings so data syncs automatically and consistently. Next, set meaningful goals. Choose move minutes and heart points targets that match your routine. This guides daily feedback. Once goals are set, start tracking, tap track workout to begin a session, or rely on auto detection for walks and runs so you don't have to start anything manually. Make sure to connect complementary apps like sleep, nutrition, or step counters in settings. Right arrow connected apps so all metrics appear together. This ensures your activity, rest, and food data paint a complete health picture. Finally, review progress. Open the journal and trends to see daily summaries, heart rate charts, and weekly comparisons so you know what's working. Make sure the app syncs. If data lags, toggle Bluetooth, force a sync in settings, or restart the app. These quick steps often restore updates. If problems persist, check permissions and battery optimization settings that may block background activity and confirm the app is updated. If all else fails, reconnect your device and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.